Hello friends, today I am going to start with the new topic, solve the following simultaneous linear equation. This is the solved example in the textbook page number 2. The example is 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 3x plus y is equal to 2. You have to solve this example by both the methods. First method is the elimination, second method is the substitution. By the elimination method, you have to equate the coefficient of one of the term. Here you have to give the numbering to this equation as 1 and to this equation as 2. You have to equate the coefficient of y of both the equations. So multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of this term and multiply equation 2 by coefficient of this term 3. And in the after multiplying 1 multiplied by equation 1 means 5x multiplied by 1 is equal to 5x, 3y multiplied by 1 is equal to 3y, 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8 will come. Then after that you have to multiply equation 2 by 3 means 3 3s are 9x, 3 1s are 3y and 3 2s are 6. After that you have to see that after equating the coefficients of the term, you have to see that this term has which sign. In the opposite signs you have to do the addition operation. In the same sign, in the same signs you have to do the subtraction. In the opposite sign you have to do the addition. Here these terms equate, after equating the coefficient, this term has the opposite sign, so you have to do the addition. Then you have to add the equation. 5x plus 9x is equal to 14x minus 3y plus 3y, you have to cancel same term having the opposite sign, you have to slide the term. Then 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. In between 14 and x, the multiplication sign, you have to find out the value of x, you have to keep x as it is, you have to transpose this 14, multiplied by 14 becomes divided by 14, therefore x is equal to 1. Then you have to put this value of x is equal to 1 in equation 2. Then equation 2 is 3x plus 1y is equal to 2. Then you have to put the value of x as 1, 3 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 2. 3 1s are 3 plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to, you have to transpose this 3 that side, at that time that become minus 3. Y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the solutions of the above equation is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. These are the solutions of the given equation. Pause. Same equation you have to solve by the substitution method. In substitution method, in the same manner you have to give this equation as the number 1 and this equation as the number 2. In the substitution method, you have to consider one of the equation and you have to find out the value of one of the variable. And you have to substitute that value in the second equation. Then I will consider one of the equation. Then I will consider the equation second. So I consider the equation second. 3x plus y is equal to 2. You have to transpose this 3x that side. This plus 3x become minus 3x and you will get the value of y. Y is equal to 2 minus 3x. After that, after getting the value of one of the variable, you have to put in the equation another equation. Then if I will consider the equation 2, I will put this value of y in equation 1. So I am putting y is equal to 2 minus 3x in equation 1. Then equation 1 is 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Then you have to put the value of y as 2 minus 3x. Then here you have to put the value of y as 2 minus 3x. Then after putting the value, you have to use the distributive law. You have to write the 5x as it is. 3 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by minus 3x you have to do. Then here is the minus sign. While multiplying by the minus sign or outside the bracket minus sign, you have to change the sign of the other terms. You have to use the distributive law. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6. Minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus. 3 3s are 9x is equal to 8. Then you have to collect the like terms together. These 5x and 9x are the like terms. These like terms you have to write together and the numeric terms together. Then 5x plus 9x is equal to 14 and 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. In between 14 and x, multiplication sign. Then you have to find out the value of x. So you have to transpose this 14 that side. X is equal to 14 upon 14. X is equal to value will come 1. You have to put this value in any equation. I will put this value x is equal to 1 in equation 2. After putting the value of x is equal to 1 in equation 2, equation 2 is 3x plus y is equal to 2. You have to put x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1, 3 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 will come, y as it is you have to write. Then all this term as it is you have to write, y is equal to, you have to transpose this 3 that side. This plus 3 becomes minus 3 and y is equal to 2 minus 3. Here you have to use the rule. If one number is positive, another one is negative, find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. After addition, you will get the answer y is equal to minus 1. And in the same manner, we will get the two solutions. First solution is x is equal to plus 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Similarly, means in the same way, we will say that by both the methods, the answer will come same. Here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. And here also x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. In this way, you have to solve by both the methods. You will solve the example by elimination also and by substitution also, and your answer will come same. You have to write all these things.